So hello everyone. So today you are going to be seeing my neighborhood and how it snows today. It's going to snow day and night, but we don't know when it's going to stop. So it's cloudy and peaceful right now. There's no snow. So later you'll see how it gets snow. Now it started snowing. See how it snows? 'Cause it is a little fast, the snow. And the clouds will get a little more cloudy because it's snowing. And now it's even more snowing, that it's a bit dark and lots of snow had already fallen on. So this is continuing because this is a blizzard or a snowstorm, you may call it. So now you'll see how it gets deeper. Now it's really deep, where lots of snow fell down. The trees are covered in snow, and it's more cloudy, like it's more cloudy. That's because it's snowing. And now it's got even deeper. It's still snowing, and it will snow day and night. We don't know when it will stop. So there are the trees. They're covered in snow, and all the things and streets and stuff are covered in snow and stuff because the snow is falling so much that it's covering everything. And now it fell even deeper, and we don't know when it's going to stop, day or night. And then it will snow deeper, and it will continue snowing. And there is the maintenance using snow cutters or shovels to dig the snow off the sidewalk so we can walk on the sidewalk without having to step in the wet snow. And that is the sidewalk. That is the sidewalk where the maintenance were working. And here they're using snow cutters to dig off the snow in the sidewalk. So we're very thankful to them because they're helping us. They're still working. They're working on another sidewalk. We're thankful again because they work so hard, and we are thankful to them. That's why. It's digging off the snow on the sidewalk. And there is the car with a shovel on the front, and that also digs snow by the maintenance. And they are cleaning the streets so the cars can drive. Bye-bye. And Merry Christmas.